Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reduce ping in Pubg Mobile. So guys, I'm here in the lobby and as you can see my ping is 181. So let's check how much ping I get in the matchmaking process. So guys, as you can see my ping is very high. It's about 300 plus and it's very high for normal users to play. So to fix this, firstly I'm gonna exit the game and remove it from the recent applications. So now I'm on the screen. So you need to go to Play Store and search for one app called 1.1.1.1. This app really helps you to improve the ping. So I have already downloaded it. So I'm gonna open it and connect. Make sure you choose the warp. And now I'm gonna open Pubg Mobile. So here in the lobby, now I'm getting a ping of 146, which is quite good. And let me show how much do I get in the matchmaking. So it takes a few seconds to fix this thing, normally 4 or 5 seconds. So guys, as you can see now my ping has been fixed and drastically it has been improved. So thanks for watching guys, please like, share and subscribe the video.
To change your